What is up, guys? We're back today, and this is gonna be a really quick and short video, but it's just a quick install for you guys if you guys are going to install a steering wheel on your Genesis. So today we're going to be installing this custom OEM steering wheel. I got off my boy Genesis Coupe part out, known as Julio. Huge shout out to him. But we're gonna be getting rid of this nasty OEM. As you'll see, we are going through a good amount of interior works right now, but let's get to it. All right, so we did get the first bolt out. As y'all see, like the type of bolt it is. So there's gonna be like a clip piece. All you have to do, I didn't take this one out yet, so you can see this one. You can see it right there. So man, right there. So all you gotta do is just bend it like inwards, I guess, while you're unscrewing it. All you need is a T30 for that bolt, and then all I used to take it out once I got it loose was a really skinny flathead to pinch it, and then the T30. So yeah, this is literally all you really need to take it off, other than once you get inside the airbag, and then we'll continue on from there. And then there is also going to be this one like wire right here is gonna be plugged up right here. All you gotta do is just pull it right off. And then as y'all see, now we have just steering wheel itself. And then all we literally have to do is just plug and play. Or first we gotta take this off. And then for this right here, it's gonna be a 7/8. I believe that's like a 21, or actually a little bit bigger. Nah, and this looks like it's 21. But yeah, so let's get this thing loose. So I ended up using a extension to make it easier, and I'm not sure if this nut right here or this ring is supposed to be snapped, and I see a little piece of metal, so I hope it didn't snap when I just took it off. But of course it's not gonna come off easy now, so you literally just gotta keep hitting this thing left and right. Yeah, see, like this thing is not gonna come off. You're gonna be sitting here hours for banging this. Well, I wouldn't say hours, but there we go. Oop. Oh wait, don't forget to disconnect that plug. Don't do what I did just now. All right, so now that we got everything off, as you'll see, this wire is still connected, but I'm literally gonna be swapping everything off from this wheel onto that wheel. I don't have so I know a lot of people do have the quick release, but this one is different because this one still uses all the OEM switches and everything. You literally just take it off of this and swap it onto the new wheel. So yeah, let's take this whole thing apart and switch it over to that one. And then so all you have to do is just unbolt, I believe it is these two for sure. So those two, and then one right there, and then one right there behind the paddle shifters. Unless you're manual, you won't have the paddle shifters. Embarrassing, but as soon as you get those off, it'll give you all the wiggle room and play and everything to get behind everything and just literally just unplug it off the sensors. It's one right here, and one right here, one right there, and then one right here. And then after you get those off, it should come right off, and then you could just leave this here, and then all you gotta do now is literally just unbolt all of these and then swap it over onto that one. And then so all you gotta do to take off this piece is literally just take off the one bolt, or if you have two, I only had one for some reason, I'm not sure. As soon as you do that, it should just pop right off. It'll have like clips on the top where you kind of do have to pull it out, but it comes out pretty easy. And then I'm just gonna skip the part where I'm putting it all back on, because this should be pretty simple. It's literally just exactly what you just took off, put it back on. But I'll see you guys once we're putting the wheel back on the car. All right, boys, so it is nighttime now. Sadly, it is my fault for starting to work on the car at like 5:40, which turned 6 o'clock, and now it is nighttime. But as y'all see, we do have the steering wheel on. I believe the last part we left on was before I put on the airbag back on, but literally is just re-putting everything back on just as you took it off. And then I just bolted back up the two nuts right there. I just gotta tighten them real quick, and then overall this steering wheel looks amazing. Oh my god, And then it kind of worries me about this little gap right here, right there. But then it's like, it did not go any further in or any of that. So I literally just left it as is. Like, let me show you. I mean, seems pretty firm to me, so I think we'll be all right. Yeah, so if you guys stuck around for this long, stay tuned for more. I'll catch you guys later. As you'll see, I have a huge mess I have to clean up and finish up. We'll be doing some type of fabrication on some type of DIY or something for this screen, because there's no point of having this screen, and I have no idea how mine's got like that. I believe it's from the sun, but I will catch you guys on another one. Peace.